Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis Paint tutorial how to change text font. So to create text you can click this text icon and I will click in the canvas. Click again the add text. Now you can see we have this text option. You can tap like with Mufasu cat. Now you can click to apply. So you can move into the center point. Now if you want to change the text font you can click these icons to edit. And then click the fonts, but first you need to select your text and then click fonts. Now you can choose your fonts in here. Like example, we use this option and the text font will be automatically changed. So you can click again the fonts and then use the fonts to change your fonts. Okay, that's it for basic Ibis Paint tutorial, how to change text fonts. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.